What is good, boys? Welcome to day 324 of backtesting. We are so doomed. But we do 320 days of doing the same exact thing. Are we dumb? Anyways, in version mode 2017 data, right on point. We go. Righty, so I'd like to go to the next trading day here. Give me a second while I set up the YouTube studio stuff. Alright, so I'd like to go to the next trading day here so we can start. How's the daily? This daily didn't look really good. Looks like we were dropping, but now we ended up shifting. So I think price is gonna go higher, like probably to this high. For our looks beautiful bullish. Looks like we might recover from this move. We have let's draw this. We have this gap here holding. We also have this gap here holding. I'd like to see this other gap here holding as well. So this will be the next draw on liquidity as well. So if I can check the 1 hour, let's see if we like inverse a gap inside there, will be great. We already have some sort of liquidity run on these lows. Let's see what happens at open. Looks like I might have a manipulation soon. Oh, come on, bro, run this low. Alright, there it goes. Should start recovering soon if we're bullish now. Where we get a good 1 minute inversion right here. Let's see if we can displace higher. There's some sort of SMT here. So the longs stop around here. Yeah, I just knew that I was gonna get stuck there because look at this 5 minute, bro. It's a good 15 minute here. This is another possible trade here for shorts. Inversion. We get this IFEG here. So this will be the first trade of the day. Second potential trade of the day will be at this IFEG here. Yeah, we do shorts like all the way to this low. Crazy drop. So I really don't know if we're gonna keep trying to long. Looks like price is bearish. There's another potential trade here. like we're having some sort of retracement, but yeah, looks like there's nothing else to take on this day. There's probably nothing left. Now let's go to the next trading day, New York AM. Right, the daily ended up being okay, closed bearish, but still looks bullish. You can see this place to fill this kind of VI that was here. Now it's displacing higher. So checking this 4 hour, we have a very good liquidity run. We're in this gap here, so I'd like to see displacement through this gap here, embrace it, then continue higher. So I think that will basically be it. Oh, okay, that's a crazy open. Still think price is bullish though. Looks like we're gonna live behind this liquidity because there is an SMT. Now that we've just inversed, I think we can try longs. This will be where we get the 1-to-1, but if stuff is good, we can go all the way to these highs. Now I would like to close most of the position, if not all of the position right here, depending on how price displaces. Yeah, we might get good. Yep, right away. Okay, looks like we have to first run Asia lows now. And the 4 hour closed extremely bearish, bro. I don't know when we'll get out of this shop, so if you continue lower, I'm gonna take shorts towards this low. Because obviously if price is not going higher, then where is it going? Lower. We're still close inside of this gap, so I think we can try longs, give longs one more chance right here. Maybe move to break even at this 15-minute if we don't close at that 15-minute. We have this low resistance liquidity. Let's see if we can displace like all the to these highs for a 3 hour. Break even. Bro, we're not breaking higher. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Bro, look at how close it is. Damn, man, I hate this. So what was the draw? What was price reaching out for? Because I don't think there is. Well, obviously this high was a good draw, but wow. Let's see how big of an hour would this have been. 1 hour though, still not relevant. New trading day. Okay, looks like price is just gonna keep going lower now, but we'll see. Checking the 4 hour, we are slowly displacing higher. There's a chance that we could be stuck in the consequent encroachment of this area here, but we'll see. This there's already an SMT at these highs, and we have London and Asia lows. Right at 931, look at this inversion. Five minute is here. So you could try shorts for a 2 hour. Nah, bro, look at this break even. No, wait. Actually, break even at these lows or these ones here. Because I don't see any Asia lows run. We're still like at London lows. If it drops heavy, then we can try shorts again, but it looks like it's not gonna do exactly that. Look at this 15-minute closure. And you think price is gonna go lower? I mean, I would like to try shorts again, low-key. See if you can now displace like at least to these lows, because you can see, well, they're relatively equal. Bang, 3 hour. Could have even made it to these lows here at first. It's a good thing that we had to wait. Thank the Lord. You can see it also runs the Asia lows right away, which would have been a what, 5 hour down. Okay, this is some good displacement lower. Let's see how 5 minute. Okay, looks like we have a 5 minute retracement higher. Still look like we're still in this gap. Bro. Alright, this was some good 15-minute displacement higher that I think if this high here can get tapped in will be great. I'm just gonna see the 5 minute just inversed. Now if we can retrace a little bit into these gaps, longs will be great. Okay, there it goes. So right here, this could be another potential entry. We can have this and look at this. And you can see it happens to be a break even. Because I would, after running this high, I would be closing at break even. And we end up getting stuck up, but very good analogy in this kind of situation. Yo, what's up, Roonies? How are you? Yeah, let's go to the next trading day though. New York AM, the new day. Bro, where did I get this flow from? Okay, I think here we might be rejecting a consequent encroachment here. Looks like we retraced here and retraced here. Still in the consequent encroachment. Reject the 4 hour. Still displacing higher. Very great, Rooney is very great. So how did your trading week go, man? We have a good liquidity run here. Maybe we might continue going higher, like all the way to these highs or these highs. Hmm. So there's two possible things that could happen here, or what I would call conditions. Like I would like to build before this trade is, if we can displace through this high right here, then I would try longs. But if we don't and keep holding inside of this fair value gap, then I would be trying shorts. Right, this is a 1 hour here. We're already displacing higher. I didn't see no good manipulation for me to try shorts. Now there is the manipulation, but then we displaced way too fast for me to even make a move, bro. Bro, looks like price is gonna go higher now. And though left behind some sort of liquidity here. Let's check the 15. We actually closed inside of this gap. This is good. I think we might trade continuations higher. Well, nothing, nothing. Let's go to a new trading day here. New York AM. Okay, I think here we can have a pretty solid bias if we hold inside of this fair value gap here. And see if we can displace like all the way to these highs. Check the 1 hour, we are seriously displacing higher. We have an unfilled gap here that could cause some problems, so we wait a little bit, right at open, get some good manipulation. Bro, there is literally zero displacement. Alright. I'd like to try out some longs. Let's see. Let's do it like this. And there's a 2.23 hour secured. Very beautiful. Looks like price was heading towards the London high. Let's remove 3 drawings and go to the next trading day. Last week I didn't trade, but I'm in sales of BC. Damn. BC is actually dropping, but I thought it was going higher, like actually recovering from the drop. Let me check. It was like at 70. Yeah, it's still at 70. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's see. Daily. How about the weekly? Why do I still think that it might drop? from probably like this fair value gap here. I mean, this place lower from that weekly gap and stuff, but well, that's what I do think. Well, the lowest it has been this year is, wait, do you have 1 year or 12 months? Yeah, the lowest it has been was 60K. Yeah, in a yearly fair value gap. That's crazy. Keep holding the cells, man. Keep holding the cells. Okay, let's continue the backtesting then. Next trading day, your AM session. Check the daily. What do I notice here? I have a liquidity run here. So we might run this lower resistance here. So this one here would be okay. And these lows. But that's on a daily, like on the daily standpoint. Might end up taking longs. It will depend on like what will show up inside of the session. We also have an unfilled gap. Okay, this is some good displacement higher. Okay, that means that we might try some shorts. Look at this, we have a 15-minute gap right here, FVG. If you check the 1 minute, we've just run those highs. We have just embraced and we were about to create a change in the state of delivery around there. No. No way, bro. But why? Literally, why? Like, why doesn't it hit the full draws on liquidity, man? Like, what hard part is there, bro? I still don't get the part that's Rooney's. How do you see EU, bro? EU. I haven't analyzed EU in a while, but recently it has been trending. Like in around February and January. But let's see how it's going now these days. First on the daily. Holy drop. This is what has been happening recently. I haven't I traded EU when it was like around here. But look at this drop. Like low resistance liquidity got smacked out. I think I also had nailed a good analysis. You can see low resistance get taken out. So if you check here, you can see that this day closed at bullish, but I still think could go a little bit lower as well. Let's check the daily. So one thing I can notice, obviously we shift the structure, we dropped. So if we can hold inside of this like fair value gaps here, then we can expect some displacement all the way to these lows, because you can see we have these relatively equal lows, this one here and this one here. Yeah, these lows here will be great. I think that's how EU is gonna go. But if it inverses inside of these gaps, then obviously we would expect continuations higher. That would be good, yeah. Bro, why? Literally, why, bro? Okay. 4 hour closure wasn't good. literally nothing, bro. Okay. I still think price could be bearish though. And you can see we've just embraced. In the 5 minute just embraced. That's why I think I will try shorts here. Yeah, that hurts, bro. That hurts. I think we should have did longs here. If you can hold inside of this gap there, it will be great. But then it looks like price doesn't really want to hold there. Now we have an SMT at these highs, that's good. So for it to short, this will be the time. They stopped out again. Okay, 2 loss day, new trading day. Let's do it. Let's not do anything stupid. Bro, this is a crazy consolidation. How about the 4 hour? Can hold inside of this gap and this sort of block. Bro, we aren't having any manipulation stuff. You can see the drawn liquidity gets met right away. More draws are here. No IFVG here, so how are we gonna trade this? And then all the draws get met. All the draws get met without me. we're just fitting to displace higher lower now. Okay, there's some good displacement. This is a good displacement though, even though we got, some heat that was like really close to stopping us out, but it's great, and it's moving. Let's check the 1 hour. Bro, it's tanking. Look at this day here. Damn, that's heavy. That's really heavy. New trading day. Believe we might continue lower cases. Wait. Four hours in this huge gap, so conditions are simple. In this next 30 minutes, if you close inside, shorts. If you close outside, longs. To where? To this unfilled for our premium. We rather open, we retrace a little bit lower, then we start displacing higher. I'd like to see more manipulation. 30-minute retracement, as if displace higher. Or like there is only like just this small gap, only this small gap. Bro, this is not even a gap. Oh, either way, I think price is gonna go higher. I hate it. I have to have my stop here. This is not a good stop. Looks like we burst here and burst here. I think we can get some good longs as well. Now I'm gonna close this at break even because we've already run these highs here. Okay, looks like every time I hit a new high, I have to retrace to high and low. I mean the P&L stuff. Okay, looks like price ends up delivering higher. You can see it ends up inversing the gap. What I was expecting yesterday, and it looks like we're displacing higher now. The analysis for today is if you can displace into this unfilled gap, then displace higher. it will be great. We have also this high here. This will be like my main draw on liquidity. So we just wait and see. These draws on liquidity are quite good. And we made the first draw right before open. I think we can get like a 1-to-1 here. Really, bro? Really? SMT. Let's try longs again. Bro, imagine losing 2 trades in the first 30 minutes of market open. This is why I hate scalping. Okay, very good. 0.7 hour added to the stack. Bro, these 15 minutes are not closing quite good, so I don't think I would go with it. scroll. New trading day, go on the daily. Man, look at how beautiful this day, beautiful. Look at how beautifully bullish this day was. Let's see if you can try longs. Four hours in this gap. Right, there goes the run on liquidity. So maybe we can have try longs. It's a 1 minute inversion. This is not a good 4 hour. You can go like right here. This is an up straw here. We just happened to my light. Can try longs now. Bro. Bro, I'm not getting it right here. Okay, looks like we're tripping up really heavy. Let's go to the next trading day. Select New York AM. Alright, there's a good gap here. So hopefully we can have longs towards this highs. Oh god. Four is quite good. Since we're consolidating, I'd like to go for low hanging fruits. Okay, 15-minute casting burst. I'd like to wait to see if we get a retracement. I'd have loved to take it all the way to these highs either way. But yeah, very good trade. Going to the media, you can see it was really tucked into this gap here. So maybe for bullish, you should just start displacing. Too many just in burst. So shorts will be good like this. Bro, I'd like to see though how this stats look like for, was it July or something like that? July and August. Bro. (2017) July I was down 11k, but that was after making 128k. Look at August. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, red, green, red. Like there is no day that I'm consecutively profit. Wow. Okay. Let's do one more day though. Hey yo. Oh, bro. (5 minute also in burst again. And so will be another time to short. Hold the 1 hour. It's so slow. think this is the lowest it's ever been for a 3 hour. It even continues lower. Usually I was panicking that what if it doesn't? Okay, new trading day. Check the daily. Whoa, wait, look at this drop, man. Yeah, okay. This is some good displacement. Maybe we might get some more shorts later as well. Have a liquidity run. Break even at these highs here. Break even here. think maybe you can get some good longs here if this gap here inverses. Wow, this was so fast, bro. This was so fast. Wanted to try it on the 5 minute. Well, crazy. Anyways, we're done for this day. We'll be back tomorrow for another day of backtesting. See you all next time. Stay blessed and peace.